have bedhead. I just woke up from a nap and it is 2:06. So that means I have 15 minutes to get out of the door, and Adam just threw up on my leg. I just wiped it off and now I am going to go shower. I think maybe he had a little bit too much milk, and then we tried some yogurt today. I don't know if he liked that or not, but I'm gonna see if I can get out of here in 15 minutes. Showering Adam, showering myself. Let's see if I can do it. Come on, Adam, come on. Alright guys, it is 2:29. So now I'm at Jordan's school picking her up. She's coming down the steps. Up Jordan from school, and now we are on our way to go get her grandma a present because today is grandma's birthday. So Jordan was like, which grandma? I'm like, the only one you call grandma, because she calls my mom nanny and she calls her dad's mom grandma. So yeah, so I'm trying to figure out what to get her because she kind of has everything. Some cute little knickknack or whatever at the store over here by the Hilton Hotel, because they have like nice things for tourists, and even though we're not a tourist here, they have cute things. So Jordan's back there. She is in a she's in a happy mood now. She's in a happier mood because I had to have a talk with her, because when she gets in the car she's all sad, and I'm like, why are you sad? Why are you getting in the car looking like you're about to cry? And so she basically said, I want you to play with me. So I'm like, we play every single day when we get home. Today is a special day. We have to go out and do something special. See what we do for the rest of the day. I have a Bible study to go to tonight and fellowship. Alright guys, you ready? Yes. Adam's trying to push you off, Jordan. Alright Jordan, you gotta hold my hand and get down. No crying, you have to just hold my hand. Outside, I don't even know if you can hear me, but we're going to this store called Casarina. So they should have cool little knickknacks. I don't know if I can vlog inside.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far.
Alright, put that back. We don't want to drop it, okay? Alright, let's find something else. Let's keep looking. Let's go this way. Go left. Yeah, you gotta walk. Don't talk like a baby, okay? That's a car. I like it. You like that? I like this. This is pretty. I really like that. It's a bunch of little knickknacks. Like, look at this. So weird. Does grandma need grapes? No, she doesn't need grapes. Biting in the stroller? Hi. Probably gonna blow away. Boy. Okay guys, so now everybody's crying. Jordan is crying and Adam was just crying. First of all, we went to Family Mart. This is Family Mart and it's a convenience store. I bought mango apple juice. This is really good. I should be drinking water right now, but you know, I want something with some taste. And I bought a convenience store sandwich right here because I'm starving. And I still have to go print pictures with 2 kids, so that should be fun. And Adam's crying and I don't know why, but anyway, Jordan had a hand glove that was made into a balloon and it just flew away, so she just started crying because actually right now we have some typhoon weather, which is like a hurricane going on right now. So it's like really high winds and we're actually on storm watch. It's not a typhoon here yet, or it might not even come, but it's like really windy like a typhoon. So just know that, you know, we're still praying for the people in Texas as well as Florida, and we know a lot of people are still without power and we're praying for you guys. But I mean, we're okay here in Japan. It's just typhoon winds right now. That's why the waves were so high when we just went over there to go buy the gifts. But right now, as long as there's no rain, I'm good. But the other day we did have some crazy rain weather and I didn't go to church because it was like really windy and rainy and it was not safe because that wind and rain was like moving my car back and forth across the road. But anyway, I'm gonna go see if I can find Jordan's balloon anywhere and then we're gonna go print some pictures. So we just made it home. Guys, I left the house at 2:30 and it's now 5:07. I'm so tired of driving, like not physically, but tired of being in traffic. Traffic is not fun. But anyway, so here is the gift that I got from my mother-in-law. Jordan's right here, Adam's right here. Dad is on his way home. He actually stayed back and was playing the piano. That was like around 4:30. So now he said he's on his way home and he thinks that he'll be able to see us before we leave, but I doubt it. You know, Grandma Pig. I doubt it because we have to leave the house by 5:35 in order to get to church on time. So
Mommy Pig.
I'm about to nurse Adam, do something else to my hair because this is just a mom bun. Jordan gonna tell me today, Mom, your hair is like cups on. So I'm about to put a like mommy survivor kit in my car because the only reason why I came back home basically was to do my hair, which I could have prevented by having a brush and everything in the car and a comb and some spray bottles of product. And then I wanted to also change Jordan into something else because she has no school clothes still. I'm so tired. I'm just exhausted. Jordan wants me to stay home and play with her.
Hi.
And what else? Tell them what you did at school today.
I think it.
What letter did you learn?
I do some music.
Oh, you did? What song is that? You got to play on a drum today? What happened? What's going on? What happened?
He got me.
Huh? I don't know what she's talking about.
My friend's name is Raina.
Your friend's name is Raina?
Yeah.
Cool.
She's my friend.
She's your friend?
Yeah, she's like, I want to draw first. I got to draw my t-shirt. Come on, Jordan, get your drum first. And then Raina's gonna get the triangle ding.
Good job. High five, girl. Don't hurt my hand. Don't hurt it. Softly, softly. Ow! She always trying to hurt me. Okay, so this is what we got. Picture frame of Jordan and Adam. This is really cheap picture frame. They wrapped it for me, so unfortunately you won't be able to see it, but it's just a dish towel that's microfiber and what else? Oh, that thing I was showing you guys earlier. Woo! Kids staying home with daddy.
No.
Yeah.
Jordan is.
Yeah. He's staying home with you.
I'm watching Jordan because he's gonna get hungry, and I don't want him to be.
But you have milk.
He's not gonna drink the milk. He never drank milk. Oh, the babies. Oh, why's he crying like that?
She's not crying, she's smiling.
Why's he crying?
I don't know. That was the best picture of Jordan and him together.